Oh, you know what? This loop right here. Let's try to remove it for now, temporarily. Huh. I wonder if this is what is like costing so much. This is the part that I didn't optimize yet. Yep. This thing is costing a lot of frames. It's the part that draws every level in the game all the time. Oops. Back from dinner? You didn't miss much because I just crashed. Actually, I did fix all my other bugs. Also, I optimized my game. Not really, but I used to only be able to stream and play with 60 frames. Now it's up to 400, so it's kind of nice. Nicely optimized. The optimization was just to not draw everything that's off the screen. Almost. Oh, I think I've just become better. Final destination. Wow. Look at how expensive this is. It drops to 60 frames. And more it drops to 30. So I need to optimize this. It's like crazy how much this costs. You see, I'm at 18 frames right now. Obviously this is sort of an extreme case, but not really. Look at that, I'm back up to 70 now. I'm back up to like 200. And now I'm up to 300 frames. I wonder if my graphics are too expensive or the way I coded them. J'avance en vain. Ou à gauche. La fin. I'm gonna have some serious optimization to do later. Of my life, meaning of my life. Ooh. Yeah, I need to not do that. I'm about to bite my lips for some reason. They're just so dry. Not sure what I'm looking at actually. Looking for. Right, I'm supposed to be in level editor. Okay. But first. I wonder if it's my tiled choices that are too slow. Or specifically the get index. I wonder if this is the part that's too slow. Whatever, it's not good to think about that. What is that? Well, that was too nice to be good, I guess. Really weird Windows bug with Android phones. Okay, I'm looking for this. Center. Center camera on level. It's the zoom that needs to be changed. Yeah, I hard coded 100. So I hardcode 100 right there. In the case of creator mode though, I would be pretty happy to do my own zooming. Actually, let's not care about the zooming for now. Left mouse button. If oh. That's wrong, right? So right now, draw timeline is $100. Okay, let's make a variable for that. This is like a bad practice to do end here. But I guess it's fine for now. To do so now this intercepts the click when I'm on the timeline. Yeah. Okay. So the same thing has to happen right here. It's not perfect, but it's almost that. Okay, so it glitches. Okay. Now, based on where I'm at, I need to modify the cursor. Cursor time equals something. What is it?
Pourquoi ne donne-t-elle
Pas de nouvelles.
A-t-elle
Besoin de quelques roubles.
Est-elle bien
Heureuse
heureuse
au soleil. Ou a-t-elle comme moi les yeux troubles? Ma petite fille grandit si loin. Dis-moi vite que tu vas bien.
Je t'ai vu rétrécir
À l'horizon, je t'ai même fait croire que t'avais raison. Okay, actually, good question here.
Pourquoi ne
Donne-t-elle pas de nouvelles? A-t-elle besoin de quelques roubles? Est-elle bien heureuse au soleil? Ou a-t-elle comme moi les yeux troubles? Sera-tu vrai de nous pour Noël?
Je t'attends
Entouré vers le ciel.
Je t'ai vu rétrécir
À l'horizon, je t'ai même fait croire que j'avais raison. Okay, at this point I need a function that does that. Okay. Private. Okay, so I need to use the X and the Y and convert them into a timeline. Into an absolute timeline coordinate. So a bit of this. So I guess I need the game window. And the level. In order to be a bit more consistent, let's L game window, perfect. So I'm getting this, I'm getting the right. Window left. And then I return. I don't actually need the Y, I need the X, that's it. Screen to timeline. Then I return X, I don't know, times ratio width, maybe. I wonder if that works, or if I need to do something else. Okay, that's kind of cool though. At least I'm able to move it now. Is it a division instead? Okay. So now I just need to do plus 50. X plus window left. Oh, minus. Oops. Should have known that. Yay. Okay, so now don't draw the square if I'm over the timeline. Draw highlight tile. Tile creators. Draw mouse tile. So I only want to do that if m dot is if and okay, then I can do the rest.
Pitti Ballet, das Chamäleon. Und das ist einfach das Ding, ja. Und es fühlt sich so gut an. Und passt auf, ich sag euch auch ganz genau.
This is sick.
Hört zu, was ich fühle, ist sowas wie ein Frühling in der Szene. Denn was ich höre, ist nicht mehr nur das übliche Gerede. Diese Image-Inventions, sie gehen den Bach runter wie die Fische, die mit dem Strom schwimmen. Aber wen wundert's, es kommt, wie's kommen musste. Essenzen haben Geduld und finden den Weg zurück bis am Ende aller Tumult. Stagniert, versiegt, versagt,
And just to make it easier,
denn es funktioniert nicht, wenn nur die Tarnung Hip-Hop ist.
let's add a shift command on that.
Alle Fackelträger, die etwas verändern, statt nur Welle zu machen wie Attentäter, die mit erschaffenden Blicken sich diese Welle gucken, die nicht nur andere dissen, sondern sich selber pushen.
Summon
Jeder, der
triggers.
was von sich behaupten kann, ist King of Rap, den Könige wissen, sich zu benehmen, also Finger weg vom Mikrofon, wenn du's nicht hältst, wie ein Zettler, nämlich mit Würde und Respekt und nicht für Geld und Zester. Darum mach ich von Herzen Hip-Hop-Musik, Hip-Ballet, Mikrofon und
Public action condition.
Vergesst den Hype in dem Biss, mach lieber das, was dir am Herzen liegt und bleib wie du bist. Darum mache ich nonstop Hip-Hop-Musik mit Balleder, Mikrofon und Ratsch, Drop den Beat und die Message ist simpel. Vergesst den Hype in dem Biss, mach lieber das, was dir am Herzen liegt und bleib wie du bist. Früher dachte ich, was sind das für Tiere in diesem Biss? Heute weiß ich kann's nur akzeptieren, so wie es ist. Und das mach ich, nehm meine Verse auf von meinen Standpunkt ein und kann dann nicht leugnen, im Herzen auch ein kleiner Punk zu sein. Denn manchmal fühle ich mich wie eine Frau, die LKW fährt, als wäre ich in einem großen Schwarm voller Fische, das See fährt. Doch da ich für Selbstdefinition und nicht das Image rapper, fühlt es sich doppelt so cool an, wenn ich Gleichgesinnte treffe. Wenn ich unterwegs auf Jams und Rap-Events bin, wo diese ganzen stupiden Trends noch existent sind. Wenn ich nachts in diesen Internetforen sie sehe, die pseudo-aggressiven Kinder des Zorns, und dann merke, dass der echte und wahre Shit noch Bestand hat, geht wortwörtlich in meinem Herzen der Punk ab. Dafür liebe ich Hip-Hop, dafür bleibe ich am Ball und schieb keine ruhige Kugel, bis man mich hört überall und mache.
Oh, I'm forced to have a key.
Balleder, Mikrofon und Ratsch, drop den Beat und die Message ist simpel. Vergesst den Hype in den Biss, mach lieber das, was dir am Herzen liegt und bleib wie du bist. Darum mache ich nonstop Hip-Hop-Musik mit Balleder, Mikrofon und Ratsch, drop den Beat und die Message ist simpel. Vergesst den Hype in den Biss, mach lieber das, was dir am Herzen liegt und bleib wie du bist. Drum repräsent Pit Ballet, gib mir ein Reim auf Pit Ballet. Hip-Hop-Lit, scheiß drauf, was die anderen reden. Ich kann damit leben, nenn mich von mir aus Pit positiv. Ich fang an zu gähnen, ich kann von diesen Standardproblemen lange erzählen. Doch ich will lieber meinen augenblicklichen Standpunkt vertreten, denn meine Zeit auf der schiefen Bahn ist vorbei. Ich hab sie verarbeitet und habe Zeit für Party am Mai. Doch ich respektiere diese Ghetto-Rapper, jeden, der weiß, wie's ist. Und MCs wie ich bringen Hip-Hop eben ins Gleichgewicht. Überzeugung neben Image-Invention, Überzeugung neben dem Wunschdenken kindischer Menschen. Ja, jeder macht sein Ding in seiner eigenen Welt und es bleibt dir überlassen, ob dir meine gefällt. Also zieh dir diese
I need a version where I don't need the key.
sie deinen Freunden, bis jeder sie kennt und jeder baut.
I can just hard code it for now, maybe. Boolean. Okay, so if left shift pressed, then I have slower movement, in other words, radio width. Something like that, but I don't think that's gonna work. I mean, it's gonna do something, but I don't think it's gonna be the right thing. Yeah, so that's exactly what I wanted to do, but I wanted to start at my... Oh, you know what? I could also just make it snap. Yeah, better yet. Snap. That makes more sense. Snap. Remove the factor. I mean, factor was a good idea, but snap is even better. Round. Dude. No, it doesn't work. Why? Okay, let's put 100. I get round to the nearest 100. What is this shit? Really? Oh right, I divided by 100. I don't actually understand what's going on here. But I'm sure it's a smart thing. Oh, never mind, I just understood it. Wow, this is nice. So now I can insert keyframe exactly where I want. Oh, okay, right. So now I just added the option to drag over the timeline. So I can add a keyframe right there. Oh yeah. This really does make it a whole lot better. Yeah, this makes it feel a lot smoother. Nice. How sick is that? So now I can keep on pressing play. So I'm still on play right now. So I can drag, and since the drag is happening after the play, it means that my drag takes priority over . It kind of sucks because when you think about it, I can never really enjoy my game. So even though I think this is fun, someone else playing this level would see, like, the level would be way more fun for someone else that didn't create the level. Like, I can begin to imagine how I would Yeah, how it would feel to not be the guy that created this. Like, it's so much more fun when you don't know. Like, if I didn't know how to solve this, I would have to sit here and then analyze this and then figure out where to be. And so far, I've never had to do that in this game. So it sort of means that I can never truly enjoy my own game the way someone else could. Okay, I need to fix this bug. It happens when I start on my timeline and go. Showing how you program? Yeah, it is. By the way, welcome to the stream, man. Crackhole. Holy. Highly. It's not completely new, because I know I've been doing it since at least a year. And other people have been doing it for before. Oops. Wow. Nice. Can't wait to work on the graphics. Okay. Drag clicking. So if this click action, or rather this part here doesn't happen, then this part here shouldn't happen. This one should only happen if this happened. Or in other words, if this happened, then this should not happen. So this can only happen if this part has not happened. But the opposite isn't true. So if this happened, then this is allowed to happen. In other words, if I'm here, this is fine, and then this is fine too. Or is it? No, it's not. Okay. Yeah, so if I'm editing the terrain, I don't want to accidentally edit the timeline. Yeah, that's true. Unmanaged state, exactly. This is the... Well, I consider that an advantage. Okay. So now I have a state. Public drag state. Sure, whatever. Zero equal whatever, same as above. 1 equal terrain drag, and then 2 well timeline drag.
I am
Thanks for the
a
follow.
robot.
How did you find my stream? Since you didn't know programming stream was a thing. Drag state. Okay, in other words, if this, then I can say drag state equals 2. But if it's the other, then drag state equal 1. Perfect. And then this can only happen if, I'll put it first, drag state equals 1 and the rest. And then this here, else if drag state, oops, the other one is 2. So if the drag state is 1, I don't have the time to do so right now. Oh, nice. It's the same for me. Well, I mean, not since I started this project, but usually it's either I'm working on something or I play video games. But when I'm working, I barely play anything. Okay. Oh. Do I like that or do I not like that? No, it's not good. Yeah, you shouldn't be able to drag under the timeline. Yeah. If drag and y is bigger than timeline height. Okay, so this is going to stop that part. Hey, if you want, I can explain to you what the game is. Okay, now I can't drag over, but I can come back and keep going, which is really good. Okay, and I can do this, and then I can go around here and keep going too. Okay, that's pretty nice. And if I want to go at 500, boom, and I can decide, okay, at 500 I have this happening. Okay. What engine? This is Monogame. It's actually C#. So it does look a bit like JavaScript. But no, it's C#. So it's a lot better than JavaScript. The engine, there's no really... I don't have an engine, but I have Monogame. So Monogame is something that handles... like it provides me some low-level functions. So essentially, write once, play everywhere. One framework for creating powerful cross-platform games. So it's not really an engine, like I don't have a level editor that comes with it, or I don't have but what it does give me is it gives me the basic game loop. So so there's a bunch, like it gives me this game class. So a game class, and game class can have initialize some content, load content, and then there's a big, I need to clean up, but whatever, big update. So this is my game logic, allow the game to run. So as long as I put my stuff going on in this big loop, and then for what I want to draw, I just have to put what I want to draw inside of this big draw loop, and this is my game. So I can do anything that I want after that. So the way I organize the project is all up to me. The way that I determine what's my data structure behind my map, that's up to me. Like how textures are loaded. So essentially with that I can code my own engine. But I don't need to think about how do I play music, because it already has a way to load a music file and a way to play it. I don't really need to think about how to draw a picture, so there's already a function somewhere that allows me to draw textures on the screen. Really. Oops. Okay, that's fine. So the game is this. The setting is on this big planet, and on the planet there's a big volcano. So at any time, if there's too much energy in the volcano, the lava is gonna kill everyone. Yeah, those are all my notes. Got a lot of notes there. And this is only one file. I have a lot more notes elsewhere. This is why I like to have a graphics tablet and a pen, even though like I think it should be like common thing for a programmer to have that, because it's so useful to have a whiteboard or a blackboard in this case, where you can write your notes. Anyways. Like it's crazy, like if I didn't have that, I would need a pen and paper beside me, or I could just do all that in my head, but like, yeah, well. Anyways, so the goal of the game is that at any time the volcano could kill everyone on the planet, and this planet is massive, like it's huge. So, in order to not die on this planet, there's a job. So you can be a bounder. Okay, so exactly. So a bounder in this world is someone that solves the levels in my games. So the puzzles, this is a job. So all the bounders together, they work towards making sure the volcano doesn't kill everyone. So beating this, the idea behind the game is that beating a level allows you to absorb the volcano's energy. Oops. Ah shit, I'm using my tablet and my pen, so it's harder. Yeah. So beating a level means you absorb the energy of the volcano, like a bit of it. And everyone together, while they're beating the levels, they're keeping the volcano in check. Eventually I want something that looks more like this. So this is a concept art, I drew that really fast. And so beating a level would, for example, make you glow brighter. So this is the concept of lives. Music is so loud now. Yeah, so beating a level would make you glow brighter, but failing also would make you lose a life, or you end up glowing weaker. So essentially, even though if you die, the world doesn't die just because you died, because everyone else is also doing their job. So bounding, like the bounders, you can assume that these are like a respected elite class, and only the most adventurous people become bounders, because they are risking their life in order to allow everyone else to live on this planet. And you can consider that the life around a volcano, if the volcano doesn't kill you, then the life can be really nice. So you can have really nice vegetation, animals, everything. This is like different images I pulled off the internet. So you can have really nice colors around the volcano, really dense forest, mushrooms. This type of thing, whatever this is. You can have trees, branches everywhere. It can be really chaotic. Nice colors. So as long as all the bounders are doing their job, then the world is pretty happy. Could have frogs with colors. This is not my game, this is someone else's game, but this is really cool art. Different bugs, different plants, like. So since it's an alien planet, I can do anything I want with the plants and the life forms. Different bugs. Different flowers. Yeah. So this is the idea. So they live on this dangerous planet, and there's a job of bounders, which creates the verb bounding. Yeah. I mean, I've been thinking about doing this project for a long time. There's not really yet a story, but now that I have this world or this planet with the idea of a big volcano and everything, then it's really easy to start thinking about how would you live on this planet. Yeah, like with a good setting, then it's really nice. Yeah, exactly. Like if I want to go even deeper, I had this other idea. This music is like tripping me. It's like fighting with me trying to talk. Oops. Imagine if in this, around this planet, there's no sun. I don't know if this is too crazy, but if there's no sun, maybe the light all comes from inside the volcano. And then with this idea, you could have the concept of seasons. Imagine if the light all comes from the volcano. Then you can sort of assume, okay wait, let's draw this bigger. And then the light comes from the volcano. Then maybe below, on the bottom of the planet, maybe this is a winter region. And maybe as you go up, it transitions more and more towards like summer. Which could be kind of interesting. So the further away you are from the volcano, the colder it is. And then the closer you get, the more it's summer. Just because there would be less light coming down there. Anyway, that's something I thought about. But maybe it makes it too much like about the volcano. So the idea is to eventually have a bunch of different life forms. So this one here would be some sort of cockroaches or spiders. So maybe there's like this sort of species of cockroaches on this planet. And then maybe some other animals. Maybe there would be a type of frog where you can play the game as a frog from the frog species. Where's my frog? Yeah. So whatever happens, at least my game, the mechanic of the game is never gonna change. But how you interpret the game itself, like the setting, it changes a lot of stuff. Oops, wrong button. Sorry, I got a message right now. So like this concept of time-based maze puzzles, like it could be just this really boring game where it's just about solving this. But now with like knowing that this thing is happening somewhere on this planet, and then the reason for beating this is because you want to not die from the volcano, so everyone together is working towards a common goal. So maybe like the different species, like maybe they don't need to be allies, but they all need to work together still. So like, let's say you're a cockroach and maybe on this planet there's a sort of animal that hunts the cockroaches. Just the fact that you're a bounder means that you're no longer a prey. It's kind of interesting. Just because, but if you're not a bounder, then you are a prey. But if you're part of this association of people saving the world, then you're now like this respected being. Oops. By the way, it helps that I'm streaming, because a lot of how I'm explaining it is because I already explained it to a bunch of people, and every time I explain it, I try to figure out the better way of expressing my ideas. So in a way, the fact that I'm streaming is like making this game better. Oops. Like sometimes I try to explain and then people say, oh, I don't understand. Then I need to like change my explanation. And sometimes what I say is like, it sounds boring, so then it's easy to know that it's actually a bad idea. I didn't wait long enough. Nice. Oops. Hey, Salted Sutu. Yeah, this one is really hard. But like all the levels are harder than they would normally be. Just because I'm trying to challenge myself to actually be good at my own game. Yeah. Like it's the same idea where if you're a musician and you play, I don't know, the piano, and then you decide to compose, and then you compose something too hard and you can't even play it. So you know it sounds good, but you can't play whatever you just composed. So it's a bit like I'm creating this game, and it would suck if I would not be able to play my own game. Boom. Okay, so I'm currently working on this timeline. Okay, I want to add the feature, the slower feature. In other words, the more I move, the less like let's say I want to precisely go to 203. And I go around here and it's kind of hard to actually reach it. Okay, I got it. So I need a slow mode. Right there. So I'm able to drag around. Check what is happening everywhere. This is really sick. And then I can add. So now this thing takes 25 seconds. I know that Blender has that behavior. How do they do it? Right there, okay. So I'm dragging, so now it's having a 1-1 effect. Oops, right, I have an infinite mouse. Okay. So I have a 1-1 effect, and now I can do this. Huh. So I can slow it down a bit, let go, and it keeps going from where I was at. Okay, that's really cool. That's the way I want my thing to work too. And if I zoom out, okay. So it's a factor of my zooming too. So it's based on the scale. It's really interesting. So the incrementation. And then again, so the same behavior I want. So there's snapping, essentially I'm moving and snapping it to the grid. So instead of moving to every single spot, I can snap it. And then I can slow snap it. Oh, so it's snapping but to a smaller grid, okay. Ah. I don't think I want that though. Because this allows you to be so much more precise. Like, I create a new one, and I grab it. So I'm looking like that. And now I want to position it right on top. I can try to position it, but now I can also snap it to the grid, so now I know it's already positioned correctly. Or I can also approach it slowly. Really interesting. So for my thing, I want to approach this really slowly. I could use arrow keys. Yeah. Oh, actually that's interesting. If drag equal to or then I add another click release maybe. Okay, well this is gonna break, but let's try it anyway. Oh, it doesn't break? What? Oh, because it only works while I'm clicking. Right. Oh, so it doesn't break. Oh, this is sick. Wait, no, why doesn't it break? It should break. Because at no point do I drag state make it equal to 0. My code should break. Why doesn't it break? Oh, exactly. Because because this condition is inside of the mouse clicking action. So once I'm not clicking, I'm not ever... So while this condition always returns true, even after I'm done clicking, I never reach it because I'm not clicking anymore. It's kind of cool. Okay. Really nice. So I don't need to be... So I can start on the timeline and go elsewhere. I kind of like this. I think it feels a whole lot better than... Yeah. It's like I'm grabbing this and then I'm not letting go. And it doesn't leave the screen ever, yeah. This is like so good. It's crazy how a little bit of code makes everything feel a lot better. Okay, let's add arrow keys or something. Oh, I also need a new mode now. I need like a relative mode too. Because right now if I'm selecting this and I want to move it around, everything else moves. But what if I only want to reposition a single frame? I want to reposition this and I don't want to edit everything else. I need a new thing called relative mode. I don't think that's a good name, but I'll keep it for now. Let's go draw this new special thing. Draw timeline. Hey, Daedal. Welcome back. A lot has changed since your last game, right? Okay, 0. I'll show you in a sec. How's it going? Pretty good. Every day I'm less sick, so it's nice. And now I need light height, color. I guess white is a fine color. And thickness 2. And this is only if relative mode. Okay. Well, I can't go into relative mode, so I can test. Okay. So I changed a bunch of things, and now I can drag on my timeline in order to move my cursor. I'm pretty sure you already knew I could press play, but now I can actually drag it. Left shift is now left control. Perfect. Because the control in Blender is the grid snapping, and I want the same thing for mine. Perfect. Okay, let's add right now some new buttons. Public action condition. keys that left. Actually, that was dealing. And this one needs to be right. Okay. Perfect. Level editor. If utility that triggers that add timeline. Oops. This is not the same. Add. I'll use the same naming convention. Level editor. That add timeline. That check. New keyboard. Old keyboard. So now I should be able to use my cursor. With arrows. Nice. Perfect. I need a new function. Where do I put it? Let's just make sure that works. Yeah, that works. So with that new function, it's cleaner code already. And it works. Nice. New bug. Okay. It's kind of weird to do that, but is there a better way? No, right. Well, I don't know if there's a better way, but I want to do this only if this is true, but I want to do this, and if this is true, then I'm fine with not checking that. Is there like something like or and or? Oh, or I can just get rid of all of that. Right, perfect. Nice. So now I don't accidentally click the timeline while I'm drawing terrain. Perfect. So if I want to get to 500, I can be like really near 500 and then adjust and put my keyframe there. Nice. Now would be a nice time to know what a specific key is on my keyboard. EOM question. Okay. Public action condition. Toggle relative mode. Action condition. Perfect. Keys dot OEM question. List of keys, sure. Perfect. Now I can check if I'm relative mode. Put it up there, sure. If relative mode. No. Utility data. Perfect. Now I'm able to change the relay. Oh, 99 errors? What? What did I do? What did I just do? I commented all that out by mistake. What? Nice. So this line now is an indicator that I'm in relative mode. Pretty sick. Relative mode means don't touch anything else. So maybe it should be called absolute mode. That's already a better name. Such a simple game, but it has so many different keyboard actions. Okay. I'm out of water. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Absolute mode, that's what I was doing right now. Do I want to hold on? Before I do that. Hold on for what though? Yeah, exactly. Hold on so that the camera gets repositioned. So when I'm in edit mode, it should zoom out just a little bit or something, like reposition the screen. In other words, this is complicated. Right now I have a bunch of code. That handles the camera of the game. I could hard code that. I'd rather change that to public. Timeline height. Now I can add a factor. Vertical offset. Vertical offset is 0. This is dirty. Okay, what does this do? It's not yet the final code, but it should do something. Okay, well this is I mean, okay, I could have tested another level because this one is not gonna zoom out. What? So it does zoom out. Oh, never mind. I knew that. It's just that now it also needs to be shifted down. 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 Call offset. This is going to become vertical. This is really complicated code. What? If reader mode. It should work, or do something at least. What happens when I press place? Reset screen? Oh. Okay. It sort of makes sense then. Okay, so it's moving the wrong way. Nice. Why does that one reset though? Okay, I need a new function. And the new function needs to recompute everything here. So this just works, really. Does that work?
Den här byns auktoritet lämnar mycket att önska.
It does. Huh. Cool.
Polis, potatis, gris.
Okay. Now I want to remove creator mode from that.
Du gav ett finger av borgmästarinnan. Du gav ett finger av borgmästarinnan.
Almost made it. Hey, oh, Habu. Did you see Dyer's costume? No. It's not on the league front page. Is it? Cowsep kills himself with Gino's Rage Blade bug. What's up? Look at that. now the timeline has space on the screen. Also, I'm able to click now. So I'm able to click drag. It's so sick, look at that little square. Also, if I end up dragging over... Oh wait, what? Oh right, I forgot one more bug. Creator mode. Oh, also all my textures now they work. Yeah. So it's a lot easier now to create a level. Like I want to create a level. I can add some squares. I can add myself. What? Whoa, that was weird. I'm adding. Now it didn't do it. So I can add something on. I just got the weirdest bug and it didn't reproduce. That's kind of bad. I could have also just looked at the picture and figured out why. I didn't the picture the console. So now I can add this and I can say, okay, I want to add it at 200. With my mouse, it's a whole lot easier. Now I can add another thing right here. Boop. And then I can go at 300. Add one right there. It's so easier now to have the right timings. Oops. Have the timings exactly where I want them. And now there's also a relative mode. So when the line appears below, you know what? That line would look better if it was above everything else. Yeah, so this line right there should be right at the bottom. So that it's on top of everything else. Yeah, you probably can't notice it, but it's a whole lot better now. Maybe I should make it be black when it's not there. Else. Black. Yeah, so now there's a tiny black line on the bottom. It's just there to say that it's there, but oops. Also, I optimized my thing. Now it's at 400 frames per second, while before it would be only at 60. I did that by just not drawing the other levels. So it's only a temporary optimization. It does make the game look way smoother though. Okay. I just had an idea like while I was drinking my water and it's already gone. What was it? Oh, that's done. The text should not overlap other text. What was my idea just now? Okay, I guess I was looking at the game. Yeah, I mean, it is 30 FPS. 700 frames per second. Most optimized game in the world.
Quand j'avais 20 ans, j'étais belle. Tous les jeunes hommes du village me couraient après.
Is that today or is that was that on
Mon père,
Halloween?
le pauvre vieux, ne savait pas où donner de la tête. Et même au bal, dans la chaleur de l'été, le fusil de chasse sur l'épaule, il restait assis dans un coin à me surveiller. Et puis,
Oh shit,
Dieu
I'm not
seul
looking. I can almost beat those levels without ever.
celui-là
Oh, it's
était
live.
posé à mon père. Bien sûr, plein d'amabilité devant les gens. Et à la maison, c'était une autre histoire. Alors maintenant qu'il est plus là, mon vieux, et que mon boulanger est parti pour une plus jeune, il ne faut pas me raconter des histoires. La vie,
Yesterday I played the song
il ne faut pas en être
Faded on stream and it didn't get copyright strike. That's pretty funny. Or maybe it doesn't. The song Faded. I actually got better though. You know what song, right? That thing. And now I have my version.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
Your internet was gone? Yeah. those words are actually really hard to make them sound like the way they sound. Like, what is that effect? There's an effect on that.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
You asked yesterday how hard it was. It's actually not hard. Yo, Corum, you're just on time to hear Abomination start. Are you ready? Let's go. I don't know if I'm ready. What is that? Huh. MMO sandbox strategy game for programmers. That's actually cool. So it's just normal music. Let's just actually read that. Hey AB, long time no see. Nice perseverance, I guess. It's a lot easier to work on a project when you stream. Because if anything, at least I... like, I only work when I stream. So, if I don't stream, I don't work. So instead of just trying to work every day, I try to make it so that I stream every day. And since I stream, I work. So, if you think about it that way, it's a lot easier to keep going. John Flag. You write real JavaScript, which controls your units. They live within the game even while you are offline. Oh, that's actually really cool. Develop your colony. Huh. I think mine equal blown. Huh. This is actually my type of game. I might look into this. Creeps. Like the game where you don't need to play it, but you still play it. Conquer territory. Wow. In the programmable world of Screeps. Huh. How much is that game? That is such a smart idea. Okay, let's try this. You ready? Cause I'm not.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star.
Actually, one
You
sec.
fade away.
I'm like so tired. Stream lagging. I think it's not lagging for me. Okay. You can do a ping test on my stream since I showed the chat. So essentially you write in the chat and then you count the amount of time before you see your chat appear on my screen or in the stream. So this allows you to know how much delay you have between your chat and then until it gets into the stream.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star. You fade away.
I can't do it.
Afraid I
Okay, I'm ready now.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star. You
I keep missing the timing.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star. You fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now?
But I don't have the right strength right now for this. Anyways. Look at that. Where's autotune? It doesn't exist in this world.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star. You fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
It's not bad. I mean, it's bad enough that I just deleted it, but whatever. Okay, let's redo it. Better version.
You were
Oh shit! I mean, I could have just kept going, but since I expect to not be alone, it's sort of different. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star. You
Can't do it.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star. You fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
Crazy how many things you can do with it.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another start, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
Wow, I just blanked out. Oops. Okay, whatever. Yeah.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another start, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
It's alive. I tried a version where it's longer, but I on purpose made it so that it's not that good.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now?
Yeah, the effect is bad.
Where are you now?
There's like power that isn't there in my version.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
It's like louder but quieter.
Where are you now?
What is that effect where it's like
Where are you now?
kind of hard to tell?
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another start, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight.
I wonder if this improves the music if I do this. Add reverb to the whole thing.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another start, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Are you now?
High frequency, let's try it. How do I boost the high frequency? Wow, someone's working. I don't actually know how to do that. I'm sure it's here somewhere. So if bass boost is there, I want the other way. Over 8K, okay. Over 8 kilohertz. Where's 8 kilohertz? Something like that. I'm at 100 hertz. Over 8K. Oh, okay. Over 8. Okay, 8K is somewhere here. 4K. Something like that then.
Where are you now?
Oh! That's actually pretty good.
Where are you now?
8 kilohertz is 8K. Yeah, exactly. I did it right, I think. And then if I boost, can I boost this here too? Effect. Yeah, that single thing I think made it better. Yeah, exactly. Okay, never mind. Yeah, so you, yeah, perfect.
Where are you now?
Yeah, this is it.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
Wow, this is crazy. What about that? Is this like too much?
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another start, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
It adds like a breath sound or something.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another start, you fade away. Afraid our aim.
Huh.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another start, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
View. Never mind, bad idea. Yeah. I'm tempted to end the stream there just so that I go eat and just keep going tomorrow. Moving behavior. This is almost done, but I'll claim it's done. I mean, I think it's done, yeah, whatever. It's partially done, so it's done enough that it's fine. Black screen? I guess your internet sucks right now. So yeah, I'm really tempted to call it a night. I was sick like for like the whole last week, and so I didn't go buy groceries, and now I'm so low on food. Whoa, what? Ah shit, I... What's up with those tiles? Those are my debug tiles. Essentially they have the transition data. This. So essentially, like this code says, the red right now is like a hole. So when a green expects to be beside a hole, it tells you with the dot. When it expects to be beside some other tiles that are not holes, it shows me with this squiggly line. And when it thinks the neighbor is going to be green, it points towards it. So as you can see here, in this area it's a squiggly line because it knows it's not a hole, but the neighbor is something else than green. Up there we know it's a hole, and then everywhere else it's green. So this means that I can now make tiles that have transition data. So I can make it look good, not instead of just a straight line. Oops. So instead of having a straight line, I can have 100 pixels just to transition from a brown tile into a green tile. Ah shit! I got it. Oh wow, I had it. Oh shit. I had it on the first try. Nice. Yeah, I'm getting better at controlling and moving my mouse around. Oh, what am I doing? Well, I say that, but then it doesn't. Wow. Makes it look like I'm every time beating it, it's luck. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this one is good. Like, it's so many steps. It's all 5 seconds. But the whole thing requires 12 seconds to beat. So the first part is 5 seconds. Ah, shit. Yeah. Shit. So, okay. I'll try to count while I'm doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit, I'm counting faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, like right there, 5. Shit, almost had it. 2, 3. Ah, shit, never mind, whatever. But yeah, the editor is so nice, being able to put tiles. And then, like, everything is automated, like which texture to put where is all instant. It's so cool. And it also zooms out correctly. When it needs more room. Yeah. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I put a cloud texture on top of everything. So there's actually some clouds moving. I need to stop doing that. I didn't realize we were already Thursday. Anyway, I think I'm ending the stream there. Tomorrow I pick up where I finish my timeline. And then arguably my level editor is going to be done for a long time. Until I start adding more features. So tomorrow I'm likely to finish that really fast and then start doing some actual art, some actual textures. This is done. This is done. This I can't wait to figure out how to do this. I have no idea how I'm going to do a solution timeline. Yeah, like that too. The level editor should be able to predict the possible places a player can reach during a level. If I can code that, making level is going to be a breeze. Yeah, so we're moving along quite nicely. Can't wait to work on the music. So tempted to bring my piano here right now. I composed something yesterday. Okay, one sec, I'll be right back. Okay. I guess I can readjust that. Okay. Does that sound good on stream? Or should I just do the... Oops. It sounds like shit. What's going on? I guess I could try this instead. Not exactly the button I wanted to click on. I don't think that would take me so long to get set up. Wow, that's actually good. I wonder why it doesn't handle my pedal though. This is why we can't have nice things. It's either the sound is gonna be shit or the pedal doesn't work. I wanna Does that work? Okay, I'm actually gonna do something stupid, but I need to do it. 119. Closing stuff so fast. This is version 1.1.9. What happens if I install it over the new one? Okay, that worked. Now let's see if my pedal works on this version. Perfect, grab that. That works. So the new version breaks the pedal. Okay, that's good to know. I never did confirm, but I had suspicions that it was the truth. Okay, let's go. I hear some weird glitches. I wonder why. Oh, I know why. I just don't know how to get to the configuration. Maybe if I increase the buffer size a bit. I can't play. Perfect. Just noticed this must have sounded really quiet on stream. It should be better now.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Mataro Tador. Anyway, this sort of sound could go on for hours. But like, imagine like this sort of thing in a forest maybe. In some sort of quiet part of the game. I just realized I can make this sound better. I completely forgot about this. Yeah, that's already. I think I have to end it here. I need to go eat. Fix your internet? Ha. Hey, Ohabu. I tried to compose a music in the same style as... anyway, whatever. It doesn't matter the style. But I just need to put on the words and then it can be a song. Can you still hear? The only way I could allow it, like I could figure out a way to fix your internet, also you do here, would be if you stopped your internet for 5 minutes, like unplug the modem and the router for 5 minutes. But before you do that, you check your IP address, and then after that you check your IP address, and if it changed, sometimes it fixes problems. Anyway. Here, listen to this, if you can. Like when I get the right words, it's so easy to sing on top of that. So easy. And I have another one, but I forgot it. What is it? Not that. That's the one I just played. Hey, Shaki. Same. I don't remember it. Do I take song requests? I pretty much only play my own compositions. I don't think I know it. I do know one thing. I started practicing though. I played really badly, but look at that.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow. The sound is bad. Yeah, there's a bad. I forgot the rest, but it's still pretty good. Yeah, I need to stop it there because I need to go eat something. I can play by ear, but it depends. Like this song I play by ear, and I just played it like after hearing it, like I just played it right away. It's weird to play because I don't have enough space since I'm in my room. I keep muting. You know that song? I'm guessing it's copyrighted. Eruption Van Ellen. I'll listen to it after the stream. Because now I need to just end it there. And go eat something. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll be back tomorrow. Sorry I don't try to play it, but I'm like so tired right now. And also I didn't eat lunch yet and it's already 6. I did eat late, but and tonight I need to go do my groceries. Anyway, thanks for watching.